Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Spendee application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in Spendee and start your search. Once you find the Spendee application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Spendee application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Spendee application. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with logging in or signing up to your account to immediately start using the Spendee application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Spendee application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.